Good morning student, myself Pankaj Kumar and welcome to my class. In previous class we were discussing how to change the style and size of the text, how to change the color of the text, how to make the text bold, italic or underline. Today we are going to discuss about paragraph group. Okay, so paragraph group help us to align the paragraph using paragraph alignment and adjust spacing within a paragraph using line paragraph spacing. Okay, line paragraph spacing. Okay, so this is mainly this paragraph group help us to arrange the space or adjust the space. Okay, adjust the space. This is the main work of this paragraph group. Now what are the options are there in this paragraph group, we will discuss about that. Okay, it also contains commands for paragraph indentation and bullets or number list. Now setting alignment of the text. Setting alignment of the text. How to set the alignment or what are the way we have to set the alignment of the text, about that we will discuss in this slide. It is a process of arranging the text of a document in a presentable manner within the working area. This system provides 4 different options for text alignment: align left, align right, justify and center. Okay, and the shortcut key also written here: Ctrl+L for align left, Ctrl+E for center, align right, Ctrl+R for justify, Ctrl+J. Okay, now we will discuss one by one use of all options. Okay, so first align left. It aligns the text toward the left margin but the right hand side remains non-aligned. Now let me show you the practical, the use of left, align left. So this is the document and here we have 2 paragraphs. Okay, this is the first paragraph and this is the second paragraph. So first select the paragraph. Okay, then come to the paragraph group. Here you can see in home tab, here we have paragraph group. Then click on this align left. This is the align text left, center, this one align text right and this one justify. Okay, now click on this option align text left. Now you can see entire text comes on left side. Okay, and right side you can see some space. Okay, right side you can see some space. Understood? So this is the use of align left. Now center, shortcut key is Ctrl+E. It aligns the text to the center of the screen so that there is equal space on both the side of the text. Now let me show you the practical, what is the use of center option. Okay, so first select the text, then click on home tab, then come to the paragraph group, then click on this center option. When you click, you will notice, now I am going to click and you see the result. Okay, so this is the center option. Now I am going to click. Now you can see both the side we have some gap. Okay, both the side we have some space. Okay, understood? So this is the use of center option. Both the side you can see equal space. From here we have gap, right side also same gap we have. In second line we don't have any gap. Third line also you can see both sides same gap. In fourth line also. Okay, so this is the use of center option. Clear to you? Now align right and the shortcut key Ctrl+R. It aligns the text toward the right margin but the left hand side remain non-aligned. It aligns the text toward right margin but the left hand side remain non-aligned. Okay, now let me show you the use of right align. First select the text or paragraph, then click on home tab, then come to the paragraph group. Now here we have align text right align option. Okay, just click on this and you see the result. Okay, when we click on this you can see right side, left side you can see the gap or space for the text, but right side we don't have any space. Okay, so this is the use of right align text. Okay, left side you can see the gap but right side we don't have any gap. Clear? and sometimes we need to occupy the space. Here you can see both side we have space now. Sometimes we need to occupy the space. For that we supposed to use justify option. This is the justify option. First let me read out. So justify shortcut key Control plus J. It align the text in such a way that the text look even from both the margin. Okay, so sometime we need to occupy or we need to fill the gap or space. For that we supposed to use justify option. For that also you need to select the paragraph or text, then come to the home tab, then come to the paragraph group, then click on this justify option. Okay, just click on this justify option. Now you can see we don't have any gap in both the side. Okay, only here you can see little bit gap, and that is because of less content. Okay, because here we don't have that much content to reach here. If I write here now, you can see how it is going. Then automatically cursor came to second line. Okay, understood? So this is the use of justify option. Clear? Then we have line spacing. So this basically this help us to adjust the space either from left side, right side, or from both the side. Okay, now we have line spacing. There is a provision to increase the vertical distance between the lines of the text in a paragraph. We can increase the space between the line. There is an option. It makes the document or part of the document easier to read. If gap will be more, easily we can if space will be more, easily we can read out the content. Okay, or read out the text. By default system provides single spacing between two lines. By default system provides single space between two lines, but we can increase according to our increase or decrease according to our desire. Okay, so here we have steps to increase or decrease the space between the line. First let me read out the step. After that I will show you the practical. Okay, so step number 1, select the text. Step number 2, click on line spacing button. Step number 3, select an appropriate value from the drop down list. Thus the gap between the lines can be changed according to the choice. Okay, according to choice. Now let me show you the practical. So this is the document as you can see on the screen. Okay, suppose you want to increase the space between the lines. Okay, I want to increase the space in this paragraph between the line. Okay, here we have 4 lines, 1 2 3 4, and this is the space in between 2 lines. You can see some gap, that is only a space. By default it is set to single space. Okay, but we can increase. How? First select the paragraph, okay, or line, then click on home tab, then come to the paragraph group. Then here we have line and paragraph spacing. Just click on that, then you will get the list of size. Now according to our desire we can choose. Like I am going to choose 3.0. okay, and now you can see the change. Okay, now you can see the gap between the lines, and this was the first paragraph where I have applied. Okay, and second paragraph you can see the same gap is there, normal gap. Okay, so this is how we can increase. If you want to decrease, same way select the paragraph, then click on home tab, then click on this line and spacing option, then choose the normal space. Normal space, that means 1.0. Clear? So this is how you have to use line spacing option. So children, today whatever I have discussed with you, I hope each and everything is clear to you. Thank you.